the lead. A lot of points also coming from the freebies from Chocomucho.
Back set, Dindin Santiago Manabat going down the line.
From Dindin Santiago Manabat, the fire in her eyes.
4 points in their last game. Laura receives, combination play, Cheng was there. Rondina elevates and detonates.
Naman for CC Rondina, actually touching her face after that. The referee checking if she was okay.
Back set, Dindin had to adjust. What a pancake save by Gervina. A free ball for Chocomucho. Alba the set, Rondina soaring and scoring.
I mean, isipin mo kung free spike ba yan? But she had two blockers. The thing is, delayed na nga at hindi pa mga nag-iinit itong si Santiago Manabat. So, kailangan talaga meron silang mga pang-kontrapelo.
Lunag, quick attack. Naiangat ni EJ. Ponce will play setter. Cici unloads. It's Cici's time. 3-20. 5 points for both players. And Esguerra at the line. Dindin, she's been quiet, but not anymore. Not when you need her.
Kanina ko rin napapansin pa